days with no nest egg, save for rainy days. But anyways, what's up? I thought about you, holla at me, I would love to catch up. I know you busy, but you on my prayers, God bless you and your affairs. Stay aware, cause real niggas is red, dog. Say Westside, Cliffside, hands up, I know